Welcome back to Primetime News. Several families on Beckford Street in downtown Kingston are homeless this evening. This is after fire destroyed several homes in the area. A father, along with his 4 children, were among those affected. Kevin Price told TVJ News that he was home sleeping when he was awakened by smoke at about 2.
When I wake up, a big black smoke in the house. Yeah, me tell you, me I wonder how I go on. Me a fat, I know my house, but me a feel for the door. So I reach the door, I pull the door. I start ball out, pick them to get up. You see me, and my brother run out, and pick my big son run out. My daughter, everybody run out. You see me? I will start trying to save some of the things them. As you can see that most of the things them burn up.
Mr. Price says about 10 to 11 houses caught fire. The fire department has launched an investigation to determine the cause of the blaze, as well as the estimated cost of the damage.
Some of the people them afraid of the camera like them no want come out, come talk, brother. They hear that. Brother, me nah nobody fi give me nothing, me afraid hard out of town myself Panty and Brazil, brother. They hear that. But Wednesday, we a fall month, brother, look my honest brother. Me a thief, me a criminal, brother. They hear that.
So, majority of the people that were affected is basically Iglas.
People living in the yard, be a Igla living here. Be a Igla living here, brother.